Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today we're gonna talk about the new Samsung phone. This is the new folding device from Samsung. It's called Samsung Galaxy Z Flip guys. So that's a new foldable phone from the Samsung guys. It folds into this tiny little square and then pops up into a smartphone guys. This thing has a lot of fun. If we put this device in the pocket, you will never feel anything like a mobile phone in your pocket because it's such a small in size as compared to the normal smartphone guys. So I will say it's more of a two-handed thing because sometimes I find it difficult to open from one hand, but if you try you can close it down with one hand guys, but to open I think you need a two hand. So the screen is actually glass rather than plastic. It feels kinda nice to the touch. When you touch the screen from the middle, you will definitely feel the crease in there guys. So that's another thing. So you definitely, when you scroll it from the middle, you will definitely feel the crease in the middle guys. So when you close the phone, you will definitely see the camera unit there. There are two rear cameras. In terms of performance, it's an 855 Snapdragon chip instead of 865 that you have in S20 series guys. I think it's a magnificent piece of engineering. It's really cool guys. It has single speaker setup, probably a drawback but not a deal breaker for the target audience guys. In the camera setup, you have a 0.5x option which is wide, then you have standard option. The rear resolution will goes all up to 4K guys. The camera can work at any stage if the phone is in folded position guys. If it's in folded position, you can also watch the video and also do messaging at the same time. So this is really amazing guys. The selfie camera will also work while the phone is in completely close folded position guys. The screen is 6.7 inches. It's large. The battery is 3300 milliampere as compared to S20 Ultra which is 5000 milliampere. So it's a big consideration for power users guys. I think Samsung released all S20 series and Z Flip at same time, so they want to say that they have everything for everyone guys. I think it's the most polished mature folded phone. It has 8 GB RAM, 256 GB of storage. It has wireless charging as well guys. The glass is ultra thin folded glass guys. If you close the phone, the front cover display is 300 by 112 display guys. For selfie camera, you have to double press the power button, so the camera will turn on guys. So guys, this is my review about this new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip guys, and I hope you like my view, and I hope you will definitely enjoy this new technology, new piece of engineering guys. And it's a little expensive, but I think it's worth it guys. And you have other option as well, like they release S20 series, so it's up to you, whichever you like guys. So that's all from my side guys, and this is all I have to say about this new technology. So I hope you like the video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much guys.